Revamp your bathroom from so-so to spectacular with these do-it-yourself cabinet makeovers. So, you know your bathroom is outdated, and you know it is in dire need of a remodeling, but what you do not know is where to begin. Well, sometimes it takes just one item to give an old space a completely different look, and when it comes to bathrooms, a cabinet makeover is all you need. Let's face it though, makeovers are not the cheapest of projects. Apart from the materials, you'll also need to hire professionals to do the work for you. But thankfully, I've got 12 ideas for you that you can totally do on your own. They are everything you need in a transformation. Beautiful, doable, and affordable. Who needs contractors when you have these easy do-it-yourself makeovers? So what are you waiting for? Put those muscles to work and start the transformation. This is 12 Bathroom Cabinet Makeovers by simphome.com. I hope you'll enjoy your stay, and let's begin our countdown. Number 12, DIY Chalk Paint Bathroom Vanity Makeover. With just some paint, plywood liners, and new knobs, you can restore that old and chipped vanity of yours and make it look brand new. The thing that makes this transformation extra chic is that blue chalk paint from Annie Sloan. Finished off with dark wax, your new vanity will add a timeless look to your bathroom. Replacing the knobs is another simple modification that makes a huge difference. Not only do the sparkly chrome knobs look fantastic with the chalk paint, but they also add elegance to the vanity. This makeover won't only revamp your vanity from the outside, but the inside as well. $6 Luan board liners give your cabinet bottoms that rustic stained wood effect. No need to place trash cans under the sink. This transformation adds built-in trash bins to each cabinet door, adding function to your vanity. The marble countertop, faucet, and sink are the most expensive additions, but they add 20 more years to your vanity, and they look fantastic with the paint as well. But considering the cost, this part of the transformation is completely optional. Number 11, Modern Farmhouse Bathroom. This $584 project will add a rustic farmhouse charm to your dated bathroom. The most time-consuming part of the transformation involves repainting the walls and the cabinet, but the contrast of the sea salt-colored walls and the walnut-stained cabinet is just breathtaking. And together with a new vanity light, knobs, handles, and sink faucets, your bathroom will look so cozy you might end up spending a ton of time in it. More fixtures in the bathroom, such as the wooden towel rack, driftwood mirror, and rustic shelves, give a wonderful balance of feminine and masculine features to the interior. Plus, affordable finds such as glass jars, wall hangings, plants, towels, mats, washcloths, baskets, a watering can, and shower curtain add a homey ambiance to the bathroom as well. How amazing is it that you can make all these fabulous changes for a fairly small price tag? Number 10, Remodel Medicine Cabinet Door Project Idea. Make your old-fashioned medicine cabinet door look modern with this simple revamp. No need to remodel your entire medicine cabinet, just the facade will do. An easy paint job on the cabinet door is all it takes to make your bathroom look chic and stylish. Number 9, Replacement Bathroom Cabinet Doors. If you're tight on budget but desperately want to revamp your bathroom, then this project is a must. Who says you need to redo your whole cabinet to make it look stunning? Just repaint those cabinet doors and you'll already see a dramatic transformation. Yup, no need to redesign the whole thing. With little paint and dedication, you can transform your bathroom from meh to magnificent. Number 8, Two-Tone Furniture Makeover Bathroom. If your bathroom needs more storage, then IKEA is your best bet. The only problem is, the store does not always give you the most stylish looking furniture. Thankfully, with this glow up, you can make that dull shelf look posh and fancy in no time. The combination of black paint and faux wood and the addition of battery-operated lights, you get a beautiful two-tone contrast that's both timeless and elegant. The black exterior looks especially breathtaking on a marble tile. That nice pop of color gives life to any bathroom. Number 7, Paint Stirrer Shelf Makeover. Give that dull shelf a dramatic transformation with a bunch of paint stirrers. This project is extremely affordable. You can even get paint stirrers from paint stores for free. And don't worry, that cute triangle pattern is easy to achieve. Plus, it also adds a nice depth to your shelf. Finished off with hooks, you'll definitely transform your shelf into a rustic and more functional furniture. Number 6, Triangle Shelf with Industrial Farmhouse Towel Bar. Add a more refreshing feel to your bathroom by hanging this charming triangle shelf on the wall. No work required. Just order this rustic geometric furniture on Etsy for only $100. The simple additions will give your bathroom personality. Number 5. Double Sink Bathroom Makeover. Make your double sink bathroom look more elegant with this hexagon tile makeover. These unique tiles also add a one-of-a-kind spin to your wall, and they're easy to install to boot. The medium gray grout also adds a nice pop of color to the white marble tiles. Apart from the tile revamp, repainting the cabinets charcoal blue also adds a modern touch to your bathroom. The paint complements the tiles really well. Lastly, accessorizing with a chic tray, a simple candle, and some rustic soap dispensers adds a nice touch to your bathroom's overall look. Number 4. DIY Backsplash using paint and dish sponge. This super fun DIY gives your bathroom walls a gorgeous backsplash design. No need to buy stones or tiles to achieve that dramatic backsplash look. Just a good old-fashioned sponge will do. All you need is to dip your sponge in paint and press it on the wall. Easy peasy. Apart from the charming wall pattern, you also need to give your cabinet a breath of fresh air by repainting it. This one uses dark gray, but you can customize it to your choice of color, of course. Painting the knobs and handles with a similar shade adds more pizzazz as well. Number 3. Trough style sink makeover idea. Fall in love all over again with your bathroom by giving it a trough sink spacious enough for 2 faucets. If you're a fan of farmhouse-like designs, this project is definitely for you. Relax, you won't actually be using a trough for your sink, just one that looks a lot like it. Number 2. Moody and rustic bathroom. Add a rustic twist to your bathroom by painting the walls with a chalk finish furniture paint. This easy breezy project adds drama to your interior. The paint transforms your boring walls and gives it an illusion of black and weathered wood. Before I wrap this list up, thanks for playing this video. If you like what you see, care to support this channel by pressing the subscribe button under the video. It benefits nearly a half dozen people working behind the video. Now let's return to our final countdown. Number 1. Builder's Grade Vanity Revamp Project Idea. Tired of your mediocre vanity? Well, this easy cabinet revamp is exactly what you need. Add a dramatic flair and a pop of color to your vanity by repainting it. In this case, we're going with dark brown to complement the bathroom's white walls. Drilling oak boards into the inside of the cabinet also adds function. The added shelf gives you more space to store bathroom essentials such as towels and tissue rolls. Attaching wooden legs onto the bottom of the cabinet gives it that lovely furniture-like effect. Adding the 2 metal bars also allow you to hang towels by the sink. Not only are they functional, but stylish as well. Final thoughts. There you have it. 12 simple do-it-yourself projects sure to give your bathroom a whole new look. Because who says you need to break the bank to upgrade your interior? These transformations won't just make your bathroom look brand new, they're also easy and budget-friendly as well. These are clear proof that you don't need a contractor to make amazing changes to your home. Not to mention, they're such a fun and fulfilling activity too. Truly, there is a different level of satisfaction to see your hard work and dedication come to fruition. I hope that these ideas have inspired you to remodel not just your bathroom, but other parts of your house as well. Good luck and have fun! That's it for now. Before this video ends, feel free to use the comment area to express your thoughts or reaction. Like or share it with anyone close to you on social media if you think the video deserves more attention. I hope you enjoy your stay, and until we meet again later sometime in the future, have a great day and stay safe!